This is Queen G, ZR2 1500 Silverado. This is the rare Sand Dune colour. You may have seen it on one of our latest YouTube videos up the beach. It wasn't rigged, but it did win sexiest rig of the day. And this is also a Chevy 1500 ZR2 in the rare Sand Dune colour. Customer of this one might have seen the other build video up the beach. He said, I need something similar to that on my twuck. There is some slight differences between this one and Queen G. I'll give you a full walk around now and you can tell us which one you would drive home in. Starting at the front end with the chrome delete. This one is how they come from GMSV. Still got the red tow hooks, it's got the silver bash plates, as well as the shadow chrome up on here. As we know that Queen G had the full chrome delete, so the flow tie got the two-tone custom paint. It had the paint here, powder coated bash plates, as well as the powder coated tow hooks. So this one is halfway through a little bit of a chrome delete at the moment. So it's also got the black ZR2 badges there, the 6.2 litre badge on the bonnet. Those ones are chrome with a little bit of red on the factory ZR2s, but the wheels and tyre package on this one is making me a little bit envious. This one here has been air freighted in from the USA. They're the Method 703 in a 17x9 neg 12 fitment. Comparing that to the ZR2 on Queen G, which is a 318 gloss black method, and that's a 17 8.5 0 fitment. So this one here, they're both running the 35 12.5 18 Toyo Open Country MTs. One of my favorite tires out there. This one is a little bit wider, so the more negative offset, the more wider you get. This one running the neg 12s compared to the zero on Queen G. Looks amazing. It is making me a little bit envious, but we'll keep swinging around. There is a lot of similarities on the rest of this build. We've done the Cat 6 deletes with the piano black with the little window cut out on those ones. So it is just the little touches that make the difference. They both have the Amp Research ZR2 side steps. These ones have got the courtesy LED lights. Really nice option. The ZR2s here in Australia don't come with the factory side steps at all. So adding these ones is a bit of a must. It is quite difficult getting in and out of them, even at someone my height. Having the electric side steps is definitely a must. We'll keep swinging around to the back here. Again, obviously, without the wheel turned, you can see the neg 12 fitment and just how good it looks on the ZR2. As you can see, these are the factory tail lights at the moment. They are getting swapped out to the same smoked out tail lights that Queen G's got. I definitely think the blacked out look here looks a lot better, but the ZR2 badges on the back here. This one has got the Chevrolet badge on the rear tailgate with the vinyl cut sticker in there. The badges are replaced, whereas on Queen G, this is all completely bare, so nice and clean look compared to the Blackout. The biggest change in a twuck compared to Queen G is the suspension kit though. So starting at the back, this has got, or starting with the whole suspension kit, this one is the BDS 3.5 inch Fox DSC performance package. So got 3.5 inch lift in the front, a slight lift block in the rear, Fox 2.5 remote res shocks, both front and rear. This one is getting the 2.5s upgraded. I'll put my hand up, I did order the wrong kit on this one, so we're getting this one back in, getting the rear shock swapped out, and that's really just gonna change it up and make it the complete setup. The drivability on these Fox 2.5s in these vehicles is amazing. The factory DSSV shocks that the ZR2s come in is what's still in Queen G. And so the DSSV shocks are good out of the bag. A little bit of weight in the standard vehicle definitely makes it nice and comfortable when you're traveling up the beach and going off-road. Going that little bit extra height in this kit with the Fox 2.5s though, it definitely is a big increase in performance. The Queen G's running the Dirt King upper control arms as well as the Peak suspension spacer kit on the top strut there at the front. So going for a full replacement kit like this one is going to be better for performance. It's serviceable shocks with the Fox 2.5s. If you are loaded up in the rear, wind those shocks up and it's going to handle the load in the massive 2.5 remote resis. I think that's pretty much it. Everything else on the vehicle, both of the trucks have both got standard interiors. This one's running a dash cam to Queen G. Queen G, the only other thing I can think of is the rear tailgate has got the third brake light up on top, has had a custom vinyl wrap on that one, whereas this one's still got the red top light on the back there. They're both running backflip folding tonneau covers. This is a nice simple option on the rear of these vehicles. Really, really nice, simple to open. Still lock up at the rear there as well. And we'll see what's on the cards for both of them for stage 2. One thing I almost forgot, and trust me, you definitely hear it in the mornings. These are both running catback S-type baller exhaust systems. So I put it out there. Are you taking a twuck home or are you taking the Queen G? If you like this Chevy ZR2 content, check out this white one here and Queen G rundowns here as well.